Dear students, under the topic correlation, we are going to find the rank correlation when the ranks are repeated. So, the following are the marks scored by 15 students in mathematics and statistics. Calculate the rank correlation coefficient. So, now here they have given the marks of 15 students and these marks has to be ranked first, and after ranking them we have to use the formula for rank correlation and we have to solve it. So now if you see here, the marks scored in the paper mathematics is given here. So these are the marks and there are 15 students who have scored these marks. And the marks scored in statistics are given here, and these are the marks of the 15 students that we have. Now using these we have to find the rank correlation for this problem. So as the first step we have to draw the table to rank these marks and to calculate the value of D square. So here we have the marks of the students in mathematics, which I have written along this column, and the marks scored by the students in statistics is written along this column. Now these marks has to be ranked, and the marks scored in mathematics after ranking we will be writing in this column, that is it is represented by R1. So rank 1 represents the ranks of the students in mathematics and R2 represents the ranks of the students in statistics. So now let us start to rank these marks. So first we shall rank the marks secured in mathematics. So for convenience to show you all the marks, I will be turning the paper. So kindly turn the screen and look into the problem. So now students, I have tilted the paper for your convenience. So now if you check, first you have to give the ranks for the marks scored in mathematics. So if we check that, we can see that the highest mark out of all these marks is 82. So 82 will get rank 1. So I will be writing here. So this is rank 1. So if you want to easily do it, what you do, you check the first digit of all these numbers, and out of that whichever is the highest digit, then you compare those digits and see which is highest. For example, if you see the first digit of all these numbers, which is the highest is 8. So here you have 8 and here also you have 8, and this is 81 and this is 82. So obviously 82 marks will get the first rank and 81 marks will get the second rank. Now let us check whether there are marks in 70s, because 80s we have completed. So if you check here, in the first digit 77 appears here, and then it also appears here. So that is 78 and 75. We don't have any other numbers in 70s. So out of that 78 is highest. So this gets the rank 3, because rank 1 and rank 2 are completed. So 78 gets the rank 3 and then 75 gets the rank 4. Next we have to check in 60s. So if you see in 60s we don't have any marks. So after 60s, in 50s we have to check. So in 50s if you see, we have a 56 here and then we have a 50 here. So 56 is the highest and we have completed 4 ranks, and so 56 will get the 5th rank and 50 will get the 6th rank. So now next 50s are completed. Next we have to check for 40s. So if you check like that, we have 46 here, 47 here, and then 47 here, 46 and 46 and 46. So there are repeated ranks now. So now there are 46 and 47s repeated. So out of that 47 is the highest. But how many 47s you have here? You have this 47 and this 47, and here also you have a 47. So there are 347 marks which are repeated. Now we have completed till rank 6. Now next number will get the rank 7, but there are 3 marks repeated which can obtain 7th rank. So now out of like these 3 has to be ranked. So how we shall do that is, because 3 numbers are repeated, the next 3 ranks after 6 is what? 7, 8 and 9. Now we have to take the average of 7, 8 and 9. How we will take the average? We will be adding 7 plus 8, 7 plus 8 plus 9 equals 24. And this has to be divided by 3, because 3 numbers we took, 7, 8, 9. And the average of that, to find the average of that, we should divide it by 3. And so when we divide it by 3, we get it as 8. So all the 3 numbers will get the rank 8. So what are the 3 numbers? 47 here. So this gets the rank 8. And here again 47. So this also gets the rank 8. And this is 47 and gets the rank 8. So we have done the justice between the 3 marks. Now, what are the ranks that we have to give? 7, 8 and 9. But we took the average of it and we have given 8, 8, 8. So we have to skip rank 7, 8 and 9, and next we have to give the rank 10. So understand how many times it is repeated? 3 times. And what are the possible ranks that we have to give? 7, 8 and 9. And so we took the average of 7, 8, 9. The average we obtained as 8. So we have given the rank 8 for all the 3 marks in order to do justice. And after it is done, we have to skip rank 7, 8, 9 and next number should be given the rank 10 only. So hope you have understood it. So next number is what? Next number, minimum number, if you check, it is 46. Okay, but if you see, this 46 is repeated here again and also here again. So there are 346. Now again the next 3 ranks we should consider, and we have to take the average of that and we have to give that rank for all the 3 marks. So what are the next 3 ranks? We have completed 7, 8, 9 because we took the average of 7, 8, 9 and we have given. Next rank should be 10 and after that 11, then 12, because 3 numbers are repeated now. So 10, 11, 12 we have to take the average. So 10 plus 11 plus 12 and that is equals 33 and divided by 3 we have to do. For average we added 3 numbers, so divided by 3 and we get it as 11. So this marks 46 will get 11th rank, and again this also will get 11th rank, and this 46 will also get 11th rank. So we have done justice to all the 3 marks. Now what are the ranks that we took for average? 10, 11 and 12. So now we have to skip these 3 ranks, 10, 11, 12, and the next mark should be given the rank 13. So remember, we took the average of 10, 11 and 12, and so we have to skip 10, 11 and 12. And we have given 11, the average of the 3, 11 as the rank for all the 3 numbers in order to do justice, and then we have to give the rank 13 for the next mark. So what is the next mark? It will be in 30s. So if you see, in 30s we have 37 and then we don't have any other number. So this 37 will get the rank 13. So this gets the rank 13. What is the next rank? 14. So what is the next mark after 37? We have to see in 20s. So in 20s if we check, we have 28 here. That's all. So only 28 is here and we have to give the rank 14 for this. So we have given 14 here. And the next number, if you see, all the numbers are ranked. The only number left out is this 18, and after 14 the rank has to be 15. So all the 15 students are given the ranks for their maths paper. In a similar way, we have to rank for the statistics paper also. So let us do that now. So now in statistics paper, the highest number is, we have to see in 90s. So we have only this number 95, and that is the highest mark. So it has to be given rank 1 for statistics, which is represented as R2. And the second highest will be, you have to check in 80s. You have a 81 here. And do you have any other number in 80s? No, only this number. So this is rank 1, and so this will be rank 2. So these two numbers are completed. Now next in 70s we shall check. So in 70s, if you check, we have a 75 here, 71 here, 78 here. So out of the three, this 78 is the highest. So it will be getting rank 3. So after 78, we have 75, which gets the rank 4. And after 75, we have 71, which gets the rank 5. So after this, we have to check for 60s. So if you check in 60s, you have 63 here and 63 again here and 67 here. So if you see 263 and 167, but which is the highest of all these? 67 is the highest, and so we have completed till rank 5, and so 67 will be getting rank 6. So we have given rank 6 here. After 67, we have to go for 63, but there are two papers which has the marks 63. So now we have to do justice between them. So what is the next rank after 6? 7. So 7 and 8 has to be the rank, but there are 2 marks which are repeated. So we have to take average of 7 and 8. That is 7 plus 8, which is equals 15. And how many ranks we have taken for average? 2 ranks. So divided by 2, because only 2 marks were repeated. So that is equal to 7.5. So each of the marks will get the rank 7.5. So 7.5 will be the rank of these marks, that is 63 and 63. So we have done the justice between them. So after 7.5, next number we have to rank. So what is the next highest after 63? We shall check here. Do we have any numbers in 50s? Yes, we do. That is 56 we have here. So 56 we have to rank it now. Now, what rank we have to give for 56? Actually, we completed till 8 because we gave the rank 7.5 and 7.5 to these marks by taking the average of 7 and 8. So we have completed till 8. So we should skip 7 and 8, and next rank we have to give as 9. So this number 56 will get the rank 9. Hope you understand it. So remember, we had 63 repeated twice and the rank to be given was 7 and 8. So we took the average of 7 and 8 and we got as 7.5 and we have given them. Now after taking average of 7 and 8, you skip 7 and 8. What is the next rank? 9. So that rank has to be given to the next mark. The next mark is 56 and the rank 9 has to be given to that. So I hope you understand this. So with that I proceed further again. So till 9th rank it is finished. The next least number we have to search. So 50s we completed. Next we will see in 40s. So in 40s if you check, you have 46 here, 44 here, 47 here, and any other 40s, 45 here. So if we see, next rank should be 10. So which is the highest? 46, 44, 47, 45 we have. So 47 is the highest, and so that gets the rank 10. After completing 47, remaining is 46, 44, 45. So 46 is the highest and it gets the rank 11. So after 11th rank, we have to give 12th rank. So 44 and 45 we have. So 45 will get 12th rank. And after that, 44, which gets the rank 13. Now next number we have to move on. So 40s we completed. Now check in 30s. In 30s if you see, we have a 38 here, again a 38 here. And do we have any other number marks in 30s? No, we don't have. So only we have two numbers, 38 and 38. Till what rank have we completed? We have completed till rank 13. So the next rank is 14 and 15. But two numbers are repeated, two marks are repeated. So we have to take the average of the rank 14 and 15. So what the average will be? 14 plus 15 equals 29 divided by 2, which is equals 14.5. So both the marks 38.5 will get the rank 14.5 and 14.5. because we have to do justice between these two marks. So we have given 14.5 and 14.5. So we have completed all the ranks now. If you see, all the marks are ranked. We will not have the rank 15 because 2 marks were repeated at the last. So we took the average of 14 and 15 and we got it to be 14.5 and we have given the marks. So we have obtained all rank 1 and rank 2. Now we have to find the value of D by taking the difference between these two. That is the value of D here. So first is 15 minus 11, which is 4. Then 3 minus 2, so 1. So this is 15 minus 11 is 4. 3 minus 2, which is 1. 11 minus 14.5, it will be minus 3.5. So I will just show you that. That is 11 minus 14.5, which is equals negative 3.5. So that we have to write here. So minus 3.5. 13 minus 13 is 0. 8 minus 14.5. So let us do that. 8 minus 14.5, which is equals minus 6.5. So this will be minus 6.5. Then we have 5 minus 10, which is minus 5. And then we have 1 minus 4, which is minus 3. 8 minus 9, so minus 1. 11 minus 7.5. 11 minus 7.5 and we get that to be 3.5. So let us write that. So 3.5. Then 14 minus 5 is obviously 9. 11 minus 7.5 already we have seen here. So 3.5. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 12 is minus 4 and 6 minus 6 is 0. So we have got all the values of D. Now we have to find D square, which will be the square of these numbers. 4 square is 16. This is 16. 1 square, so 1. Now minus 3.5 square. Minus into minus will become plus. What is 3.5 square? Let me show here. So 3.5 square equals 12.25. So let us write that here. So 12.25. 0 square is obviously 0. Minus into minus will become plus. This number will become positive when we square it. And what is 6.5 square? It's equals 42.25. So this is 42.25. So next is 5 square, which is 25. Then 3 square, which is 9. 1 square, which is 1. And all the negative numbers turns positive. So I am not showing that. Anyway, so 3.5 square. Already we saw 3.5 square is 12.25. And then 9 square is 81. 3.5 square is again 12.25. And then we have 1. So 1 square is 1. 1. 4 square is 16. Negative will become positive. So 16 and this is 0. So we have obtained all the values of D square. Now we shall add all these values in order to find summation D square. So when we add 16 plus 1 plus 12.25 plus 42.25 plus 25 plus 9 plus 1 plus 12.25 plus 81 plus 12.25 plus this 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 16, which is equals 230. So this is the value of summation D square. So let's take and write it. So summation D square is equals 230. Now we shall use the formula of repeated ranks and we shall find the rank correlation. So the formula for finding the rank correlation for repeated ranks is given here. That is, I will show you now. You can just flip the thing and you can flip the phone and you can see. Because I am changing the position like this now. So the formula for rank correlation is given by rho equals 1 minus 6 multiplied with summation D square plus summation m multiplied with m square minus 1 divided by 12, the whole divided by n multiplied with n squared minus 1. So this is the formula for repeated ranks. So when the ranks are repeated, we will be using this formula, where the summation d square is the value that we have calculated here, and we got it to be 230. So this value we have got it to be 230. And this value of n is the number of observations. So now here in the question, how many marks we had? We had 15 marks. So the value of n will be equal to 15. So this is okay, fine. Now what is this m? M represents the number of times the ranks are repeated. First, to find the value of m, what we should do is, in rank 1, we should check what are the ranks that are repeated. First, if you see, the rank 8 is repeated. So how many times it is repeated? Rank 8 is here, and then it is here, and then it is here. How many times this rank 8 is repeated? 3 times. So you make a note of it and you have. So rank 8 is repeated for 3 times. So you just make a note of it. After that, what is the rank that is repeated? In rank R1, rank 11 is repeated. So 11 is here, and then 11 is here, and then 11 is here. So how many times this rank 11 is repeated? 1, 2 and 3. So rank 11 is repeated 3 times. So this is also repeated 3 times. Now next, that's all in rank 1. In rank 2, what are the ranks repeated? First we had the 7.5 repeated. So we have 2 times repeated 7.5. So rank 7.5 is repeated how many times? 2 times. So we shall make a note of that also. Next, what is repeated? Rank 14.5 is repeated. So 14.5 and 14.5. How many times it is repeated? 2 times it is repeated. So rank 14.5 is repeated for 2 times. So first step is, we have to make note of all this. What are the repeated ranks? How many times they are repeated? So that we have to make a note. So after making a note of this, we shall evaluate this part, that is summation m multiplied with m squared minus 1 divided by 12 separately, and then we shall take and substitute in this formula. So how to evaluate it? Summation m multiplied with m square minus 1, the whole divided by 12. So how to do that? So that will be equal to, this summation is because we have repetitions more than one number of time. So because of that only we are having summation. And what is the value of m? First value for m is 3, because how many times rank 8 is repeated? 3 times. So 3 multiplied with 3 square minus 1 divided by 12. So this is the first value of m. Plus, again because summation, so you should put plus. What is the second number? Rank 11. How many times it is repeated? 3 times. So now again m takes the value 3. For this rank we should write. So 3 multiplied by 3 square minus 1 divided by 12. So we have summation, because of that plus. What is the next rank repeated? 7.5. How many times it is repeated? 2 times. So m takes the value 2 now. So 2 multiplied with 2 square minus 1 divided by 12. And we have one more value also. So we should put a plus. And the last value is 14.5. How many times this rank is repeated? 2 times. So m takes the value 2 again for this rank. And so 2 into 2 squared minus 1 divided by 12. Because of this reason only we have a summation here. So number of times the ranks are repeated, that we should write and keep. Then first value for m will be first rank, how many times it is repeated. So by mistake students what they do, what the rank is repeated, by mistake they write that. So remember students, always you should write how many times it is repeated. So this is repeated 3 times. So for this 3 we have this, and because of summation plus we have, and for this rank it is repeated 3 times again, so we have this value, and this is 2 times, so we have this value, and for this 2 times we have this value. These are known as the correction factor. Now we shall evaluate all this separately, and that one value we shall take and substitute here. So this will be equal to, what is this 3 square? 3 square is what? 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So that 8 gets multiplied with the 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. So here you have 24 by 12. Then plus. Now here again the same value. So again 24 by 12. Plus. Now here what is 2 square? 4. So 4 minus 1, 3. 3 2s are 6. So 6 divided by 12. Plus here also the same value only. So 6 divided by 12. And so that is equal to, this is 12, we can cancel it. So 2 plus, this also gets cancelled. So 2 plus, and this gets cancelled, and this is 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So if you simplify this, so 1 by 2 is actually, this 2 plus 2 is 4, plus this 1 by 2 is 0.5, plus this 1 by 2 is again 0.5. So when you add all this, so 4 plus 0.5 plus 0.5, you will get 5. And so the correction factor is 5. That is summation m multiplied with m square minus 1 divided by 12 value we have got here, and we have got that value to be 5. So now this value we should take and substitute over here. So this value is 5. So all the values we have, so we shall substitute it in the formula. So the value of rho will be equal to this 1 minus 6 multiplied with, what is summation d square? 230. So 230 plus, and what is this value? We have obtained it to be 5. So plus 5, close the bracket, divided by, the value of n is 15. So it will be 15 multiplied with 15 square minus 1. And so that will be equal to 1 minus 6 multiplied with, what is 230 plus 5? It is 235. Divided by 15 multiplied with 15 square is 225, and so 225 minus 1, which will be 224. Now we shall simplify this. So this will be equal to 1 minus, what is 6 multiplied with 235? It's equals 1410. So 1410 divided by, here we have 15 multiplied with 224, which is equals 3360. So 3360, and so that's equal to 1 minus, so we shall do this division, 1410 divided by 3360, which is equals 0.4196. So I will take it to the 4 decimals. So 0.4196. So 1 minus 0.4196 equals 0.5804. So this is equals 0.5804. So therefore, the value of the rank correlation for the given problem is 0.5804. So this is the answer. I hope you must have understood how to find the rank correlation value when the ranks are repeated. These types of problems are very significant questions. So kindly go through it. Hope you have understood. Thank you.